If you want to transcribe voice recording on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we need to go to the recording app, which we can of course find in the Samsung folder in app drawer. Once you have your recording, you want to tap on it in order to open it. In here in the upper right corner, we have this icon over here, like a audio wave with a letter and a circle with an arrow. We want to tap on it in order to create the transcription. Now we need to wait for the transcription to be done, and there we go. You can of course edit the transcription if you want to. You can press and hold your finger, and then you can find the edit option. You can tap on any word in order to quickly go into that part of the recording. And also we can of course see that the recording or the transcription also determines speakers, so it can easily find out and recognize different speakers on the recording. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.